Hey guys, welcome back. I am the Vegan Kitty and welcome to the Vegan Kitty's Kitchen. On the menu today I will be preparing chocolate truffles in honor of Valentine's Day. Love is in the air, so why not set it off with making delicious chocolate truffles. Okay guys, so let's go over the ingredients. I'm going to use some dark chocolate chips. They're dairy free. Most of them are. Check the ingredients. So dark chocolate chips, a little bit of olive oil. You can use any oil that you want to use. I'm using olive oil. Some coconut cream milk, cream of coconut, whichever. Chocolate. What else do I have? I'm using some organic cocoa powder, like 365. And I have a pack of sprinkles. Mine are pink, white, and red sprinkles. I ordered this pack off of Amazon. You know, they were really hard to find in the store, so Amazon is an option. And that's it, guys. So with that being said, let's cook. So I'm going to warm that up. I got to bring that to a boil. It looks like really gross right now, but it's going to be delicious, I promise you. Let that sit, bring it to a boil. I will be right back. So now we're going to add the coconut milk to the chocolate chips. And by the way, these are the ones I'm using. These are plant-based. They're plant-based semi-sweet chocolate by Toll House. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's hard to get it. There we go. That's what I'm using. Okay, so now let's add the milk to the chocolate chip. I'm going to let it melt. Let it sit there and melt. Just going to let it set. Let's say that. Let it sit for a little bit. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to place this in a refrigerator so that it can set for 2 to 3 hours, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I ran into a bit of a problem. When giving the ingredients in the beginning, I forgot to mention that you need flour also. So after refrigerating my truffles, I discovered that they didn't hold, and I was trying to figure out why they kept melting. It's because it didn't have flour in it, so I had to go back, melt the chocolate all over again, I added a third cup of millet flour. I added millet flour in there. You can add any type of flour, but this is the flour I chose to add. So a third cup of millet flour, and the chocolate mixed with the coconut milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I left those ingredients out. But here are the results. This is what it looks like. It's more solidified now, kind of, sort of, yeah. So I'm going to start with the truffles. So you can make them any size that you want to make them. So see, now it's more solid. That's the texture. See, it's solid now. That's the texture you want. So I'm gonna roll it. Roll it. That's the size that I'm gonna make. So now we're going to decorate the truffles. So, truffle. So you got to work with this fast before they melt. Alright guys, I'll be back with the finished product. Here is the finish. Maybe my heart will be upside down, so let me turn it this way so you can get a look at that. So this is chocolate covered with they're all chocolate covered truffles, but this one has Valentine sprinkle candy on there, and this one has cocoa and walnuts, and then I also have I'll show it to you. It's coconut and chocolate. So let me sample that one. So all three. So that's the chocolate covered with candy sprinkles. That's chocolate with coconut, and then this one is chocolate covered with cocoa powder and walnuts. Okay. So let me try the chocolate and coconut one. So good, you guys. It's nice and creamy. Just melts in your mouth. I don't know if I want to eat all of these, but I'm just going to eat this one. It's silky and creamy. This is really nice texture. This is a really easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching. And put the rest of these up. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Thanks for vibing out with me. I am Vegan Kitty, and this cat is out. Okay, so now let's get into the ingredients for the strawberry Twinkies. So we're going to need 2 boxes of strawberry cake mix by Duncan Hines. It's vegan friendly. That's the one I'm using. So I'm going to follow the ingredients on the back of the box. You're going to need a cup of water. So since it's 2, I'm going to double it. I have my water. It says 3 large eggs, so you can substitute it with just egg. But today I'm using applesauce. I'm going to use applesauce as my egg substitute. Half cup of vegetable oil, so I'll be using olive oil in place of, I'm going to use, that's my choice of oil I'll be using is olive oil. And 4 for the cream filling, I will be using the coconut milk, coconut cream, and then I'll show you how to prepare this as well. And that's pretty much it. You're going to need some cooking spray, and you're going to need one of these pans, Twinkie pan. I believe I got this from, this is some years back. I got this one from Amazon, I believe. But yeah, you're going to need that. And it comes with, wait a minute. Let me put this on here. So yeah, and it comes with a cream filler. I don't know if that's the correct term for it, but you fill it with cream and then you inject the center of the Twinkie with this. And we'll go over that as well. Okay guys, these are the ingredients, so let's cook. It's 1 cup. It's 2 cups. I'm going to add, says 3 large eggs, so I'm going to use 2 cups of applesauce. One is probably enough, but I'm just going to use 2 just to be sure. Okay, that's 2 cups. And then I have to add 1/2 cup of oil, using virgin oil. That's 1. Trying to get this other one open. That's 2. So that's pretty much it. Those are the ingredients. A cup of water, 3 large eggs. So if you use the just egg, you can use that's equivalent to like a 1/2 cup, between a 1/3 cup or a 1/2 cup, and you'll be fine. Put these in the oven on 350, and I'm gonna leave them in there for about 20 minutes. Okay guys, welcome back. Alright, now let me tell you what I did. So the menu has changed. I had so much batter left over. I went ahead and made donuts. I made strawberry donuts. And what else did I make? There's so much stuff here. I made Twinkies, strawberry donuts, Twinkies, and cupcakes. So I'm going to decorate them all, well, some of them, and then I'm going to freeze the rest. Yeah, this made a lot. So one box is good enough depending on how many people you're going to serve or how many people you're making dessert for. But yeah, it's a lot. Okay, so also with the filling for the Twinkies, I was going to use the coconut cream, but I ended up using what I had already. This was already together. This is Ready Whip. It's non-dairy, and I had some in the refrigerator, and I said, well, let me use it before it go bad. And plus, it's a lot lighter than the coconut cream, so this is what I'm going with. This is a little bit lighter than that, so I've already filled it here and here, and I put it in the freezer for a little bit just so it wouldn't melt. Hopefully, it'll hold up. So let's give it a try. Uh-oh, sticking. So that is the Twinkie. Put that down. So you're gonna turn it over and feel, uh-oh, it's coming out. Maybe I used too much. So you have to kind of like stick it more than once so you can get it all over. There we go. Hope that doesn't break. That one's a little, it's falling apart a little bit. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I can let these things cool off enough because they're like really moist. Let me show you guys the inside of it. Okay, I'm going to show you the inside. That's how it looks on the inside once you fill it. This is powdered sugar and milk mixture. I mix that together, and then I'm going to add some coconut on top. I don't know. Around a few of them. And some Valentine sprinkles. Okay, so that is that. Now, moving on, I'm using Hershey milk chocolate by Betty Crocker. It's dairy free, so that's what I'm using. I'm just gonna do a few cupcakes and chocolate. Now I'm going to decorate a few donuts. Some I'm going to put a glaze on, and the others I'm going to put some chocolate on it.